hotter. Why would that not just be the temperature? 0-1 called strike. Runner goes. The throw down to second is high. It's a one-run ball game, and there's 2 outs on the board. 2-strike delivery. Runner goes. Pitch misses low and in. The throw to second is not in time. A stolen base. 2-2 on the way. 2-2 on the way. Runner goes from first. Swung out to left center. Going back at the track. Out of here. Yasel Pino, his 8th homer of the season. Cool Hill scores. It's 2-0. A 2-run jack for Pino. He had 2 homers 2 nights ago. And Stevens is hit. Runner goes. Swing and a miss. Throw down to second is Anderson from the line. McHenry swings and misses. Swung on and ripped into center field. Yasel Pino scores. Trotter Harlan rounding third. The throw is cut off. He'll score. It's a 2 temperature. 0-1 called strike. Runner goes. The throw down to second.